I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites fast: an updated iTunes, a valid Apple ID, and either Wi-Fi or a certified USB cable. Plug the device or join the same network, then unlock the device and tap Trust when prompted. Once done, open iTunes and look for the device icon in the toolbar. That icon means iTunes recognizes hardware. Make sure to sign into the same Apple ID if asked, because account verification links your content and settings between device and iTunes. Now you authorize and choose what to transfer. First, authorize the computer from the account menu so purchased items open correctly. Then click the device icon and review tabs: music, movies, photos, and summary for backups. Select sync checkboxes to include playlists or enable manual management if you prefer dragging files one by one. Once set, click Apply or Sync to start. This approach avoids duplicate files and preserves storage. Make sure to wait for the progress bar before disconnecting. Finish by confirming the sync completed and safely eject the device using the eject icon so no data corruption occurs. If the device doesn't appear or sync stalls, restart iTunes, switch cables or USB ports, and reboot your device. These simple fixes resolve most connectivity issues. For persistent authorization problems, deauthorize all computers in your account and reauthorize the current one. That refresh clears licensing conflicts. If backups fail, check available disk space and retry. These checks typically restore normal operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.